Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've been on here on the regular, but I'm hoping to change that with this series. So if you follow me on Facebook, I did a hashtag 30 days of why or hashtag a month of why, where I went on my Facebook Live every day, or I tried to every day, go on there and tell you guys why I love Younique so much, why I'm doing this, why I'm still doing this after 5 years. And yeah, just share like the different aspects of Younique that are unique from other direct sales companies, what I get out of it personally, and what I think you guys can get out of it if you join. So like I said, I did this on my personal Facebook page. It was called hashtag 30 days of why, and I was doing it leading up to my 5-year Younique anniversary. May is a big month for me for anniversaries. It's my Younique anniversary, it's my birthday, it's my Army commissioning date, it's a lot of things for me. So I was kind of trying to do something to lead up to my Younique anniversary, and going on Facebook Live is sometimes very difficult for me, especially on a daily and scheduled basis, because I have a 2.5-year-old, I have a 10-month-old, and I was finding myself doing it a lot in the car, which is not what I planned on doing, but it kind of ended up being like that just because that's where I got that 5 minutes of time to get on Facebook and do the video. So I wanted to get on and redo the series on YouTube, because this way I can pre-record, I can schedule, I can edit. I'm not rushed, I'm not in a frenzy, and I can get what I want to say out. When I did it on Facebook Live, they were pretty unscripted. I had just had my list of general topics that were my 30 things. But the point is, like, getting on there was good for me, and doing this series was really, I don't want to say cathartic, but it was very refreshing to do, because when you get to talk about something you love and tell the world why you love it, you kind of get energized, and you change that energy that you're working in. So it's just kind of like that law of attraction thing, right? So I wanted to get on here for 30 days and tell you guys like why I love this company, what it has given to me personally, and if something resonates with you, let's have that conversation and see if it can give you some of those things too. And that's really the whole purpose of that series. So I'm here to uplift, empower, and validate everybody. That is our company mission. And I hope you guys find this series enjoyable, because I can talk about this company all day and what it's done for me, but I think I was inspired by my last Facebook Live, where I talked about the confidence that Younique has given me and how it has allowed me to address my biggest fear in life, which is public speaking. And I wish I had thought it out more fully, but I definitely wanted to redo that video and post it on YouTube. But then I was thinking, I should probably redo the whole series, because I think a lot of people can benefit, and I really do want to tell you guys why I love this company so much. So all right, that's all, and I hope you guys enjoy. Feel free to comment. If you haven't already, please like my page and hit the announcement or alert, or what is that, notification button, so you guys know if I post anything new. All right, have a great day and enjoy the series. Bye.